All right, I'm going to give it a few seconds to let people join the live here. Hello and welcome back, everybody. We are here live in Odessa, Texas, home of one of our dealerships. I am Xander, of course, behind the camera. We have Faith inside this home in front of us, which is known as the TRU. Now, you guys may seen this home before in our previous lives, but never here in Odessa. So, without further ado, let's go on inside. The specs on this home are 3 beds, 2 baths at 1475 square feet, 28 feet wide, and 56 feet in length. All right, let's give it a little knock.
Hey, Xander, come on in.
Hey, Faith.
So, happy Thursday, everyone. I am so happy it's Thursday because that means tomorrow is Friday, and I'm so excited for the weekend. Let us know down below some of your weekend plans. I know it's not anything special this weekend, but you know, every weekend is special to me. So, this is one of our TRU Home models. This is the Thrill. It's actually an in-stock model, and it can save you $3,000 if you get it as is in stock. It's also available at our Walzem Park location, or Walzem Park neighborhood, where you can have this home ready. It's all hooked up, ready for you. So either way, you can get this home pretty quick. So let's go ahead and take a look at this home. So here is the living space. You can definitely have your entertainment center here, big couch. I mean, there's plenty of space in here. You could have a huge couch in here if you have a big family. You could put maybe some bookshelves here. You know, I'm a reader, so I would want a big bookshelf. You know, why don't y'all let us know some of your hobbies down below? Like, what would you put in your home? So let's go ahead and check out the kitchen dining space. Here's your dining space. You can have your table this way, or you could turn it. It could really fit a ton of people in here. If you like to have dinner parties like I do, this would be a great space for you. And here's the kitchen. I love the island in here. It just really brings up more space for you to cook. Like, I would prep all my food right here. And then it has plenty of cabinet space as well. You got cabinets underneath. You have cabinets up top. Plenty of space. And you have some extra space over here as well. And you have a little shelf up there, which I think is great for storage. Or if you like to decorate, I'm a big home decorator, you can put some stuff up there. And you have your utility room back here with your back door. And you have your washer dryer hookups ready for you. And you have this little extra space, and you know, you can add some stuff there too. So let's check out this primary bedroom. Now, I think this bedroom is massive. I mean, you could fit a California king in here with your dresser, your chest of drawers, maybe even a desk if you work from home. You know, I don't always like to, if I worked from home, I wouldn't want to work out there. I'd want to work in my bedroom and be, you know, all comfy cozy. So this is your bedroom, nice, light, and airy. And let's check out this primary bathroom. So here's the primary bathroom. Again, this is huge, so much space in here. You have cabinet space, plenty of counter space, and you also have areas that you could put extra shelving, maybe some like bins, whatever you need to maximize your space and really have the storage that you need. And then let's check out this closet. So this closet's huge. Like, I think I've said before, you could run a marathon in here, and I still think you can. So it is just absolutely huge, so much storage space. You could add drawers in here, you could add anything. I mean, you could store a lot in here. So let's head over to these secondary bedrooms.
And if you are just now joining our lives, we are here in Odessa, Texas, inside of the Thrill. The specs on this home are 3 beds, 2 baths at 1475 square feet, 28 feet wide, and 56 feet in length.
So this is your first secondary bedroom. Now, you can make it a bedroom, or like I said before, if you do work from home, maybe you don't want it in your bedroom, you can make this an office in here and work from home, be cozy, maybe make it a little workout area too. If you're working from home and you have one of those walking treadmills while you're working, it would fit in here as well. And you have your closet right here. Let me turn this light on for y'all. There we go. And here's your closet. You could fit some drawers underneath, maybe even some, if you're making this a bedroom, a shoe rack, some shelves here. I mean, the space is huge. So let's check out our secondary bathroom. And I just love how this is right off of everything. Your guests will be able to get here easy. It's right in between these two bedrooms, so whoever's sharing it has it perfectly. You have your cabinets underneath the sink and your tub shower combo. Very spacious in there. So we're gonna check out this other secondary bedroom. Now this one's quite big. You could fit a queen size bed in here. It could be your mother-in-law's suite. If your grandparents live with you, I mean, I think this would be the perfect room because it's right next to the bathroom and you have a lot more space in here. And here is the closet. I mean, it is so big in here. It's a walk-in, lots of space. If you wanted, you could probably add more like clothing, gosh, I can't think of the word, clothing hooks, you know, maximize your space. This is really a good home to be a DIY person. You could just really do everything in here, make it your home. You can redo the kitchen, redo everything. So thank y'all for joining us. Definitely check out this deal. It is $3,000 off, or it's also available at Walzem Park. So contact us if you love this home and we can get you in one today. Bye y'all.